5-ton forklift. Strong load bearing capacity, suitable for heavy cargo handling. Compact body design, flexible shuttle warehouse. Diesel, electric diverse power, suitable for different environments. Strengthening the chassis structure for strong stability. Easy to operate and control, reducing driving difficulty. Efficient energy utilization and low operating costs. Easy maintenance and easy availability of accessories. Ergonomic cockpit reduces operational fatigue. Online reception to get more details.